Blades, needles, plastic, etc., found in food have recently been raised as a social issue. There has been the gradually increasing frequency of consumer or company complaints caused by alien substances in food. Then, what is an alien substance? An alien substance in a marketed product refers to an ingredient that contains an abnormal raw material or matter in the food manufacturing, processing, cooking, or distribution processes, and therefore is unsuitable for its consumption, posing a hygiene hazard. Business operators who manufacture, process, repackage, import, or sell food for commercial purposes must, upon receiving the report about alien substances from consumers, shall notify it to the Minister of Food and Drug Safety, the provincial governor, or the mayor, county head, or district head. When there is a report about complaints of detected alien substances or any others from consumers, the details must be recorded and kept for 2 years, and the evidence must be retained for 6 months. Reportable alien substances include those such as metallic fragments or glass pieces that may cause direct harm or injury to the human body during consumption, parasites and their eggs, animal carcasses that may cause disgust during consumption, and other substances that may harm human health or are unsuitable for consumption. Food manufacturing facilities must establish and comply with an alien substance control plan to prevent the detection of alien substance at all stages ranging from raw material warehousing, manufacturing and processing, storage, to transportation where there could occur contamination. Then, how should alien substances that may occur in food manufacturing facilities be managed? In the process of warehousing raw materials, strings, plastics, metal fragments, stones, etc. may be detected. Therefore, agricultural products and others can be managed by washing and removing alien substances or sorting out. Since hair, nails, plastic, threads, etc. may be generated in the process of working, workers shall not bring their personal belongings in workplaces. Make sure that you enter workplaces with a clean sanitary clothing and sanitary shoes on after removing alien substances. You must pursue the method for preventing alien substance contamination caused by pests such as flies, mosquitoes, by keeping environments neat and clean on a regular basis to prohibit pests from inhabiting around workplaces, and by reinforcing enclosing management. For example, blocking openings and gaps of building entrances. Track down the pest habitation in workplaces on a regular basis and conduct pest control. Please set and manage detailed standards to prevent the outbreak of alien substances by damaged containers, utensils, facilities, and equipment used in workplaces.